Hey friends, my name is Amy Rebecca. Welcome back to my channel. I'm trying something new with my hair today. What do you think? I can't style hair, like, at all. And really, the only thing holding this whole look together is like a couple bobby pins and a lot of optimism. Anyway, hi, welcome back to another Project Pan. Got some exciting updates for you guys this month, but before we jump into the Project Pan, I need to correct my former self from last week. If you guys saw my most recent empties video, I talked about how you can now become a member of this channel. Yay! And some of you actually want to do that. Double yay! But you couldn't because the button that is meant to be there that you click to join isn't there. And I don't know why. People have this misconception that because I'm on YouTube that I'm like capable of using a computer, and that's not true. No sir. I'm trying to figure out what the heck has gone wrong with that and why that's not working. But for the time being, I will leave a link down in the description box and also in a pinned comment. And if you click that link should allow you to become a member of the channel, which is just a way for you to support this channel and me, and I would really appreciate it if you were able to do that. If you're not, that's fine too. I'm giving myself a real Sally from Practical Magic vibes with this plait. Wait, okay, but do you see it? Okay, that's not relevant at all. Let's get into the video. Project Pan time. I have finished off one product from my Project Pan this month. If you watched last week's empties video, then you already know. It is the NARS Blush in Deep Throat. Someone's at the door. Maybe it's a package. It was a package, but it wasn't for me, which I should have seen coming because I haven't ordered anything. I used up the NARS Blush in Deep Throat. It's gone. Is gone. Isn't that a beautiful sight? That brings the grand total, if I am not mistaken, of Project Pan products that I have panned this year. Oof, that was a mouthful. To 13, which means I really need to pick up the pace if I'm gonna pan 21 products in 2021. We're not even close. Okay, so with that in mind, let me just show you what I am circling in to replace that NARS blush. Don't judge me, okay? I need all the help I can get. I'm gonna pan another candle, but it's a votive. It's the Yankee Candle votive in Candy Corn. It's one of their Halloween scents. And look, is this a cop-out? Is it? Probably yes. I need to start racking up the numbers, and I'm giving myself really difficult products to pan. I panned a blush this year and 2 lipsticks. I'm entitled to try and pan a votive now, okay? I don't know why I'm trying to justify it to you. I know that you guys like aren't probably judging me about this as harshly as I'm judging myself, but to put it into context, I am a Virgo with OCD, so I'm finding this very difficult. Anyway, Halloween is on the horizon. I have a lot of Halloween candles, so let's use one up. Next, okay, let's talk about the highlight, since that's the other powder product that I've been working through. This, if you remember, came out of my Live Love London face palette. So my goal with this was just to hit pan, and even though we can see pan in this now, that was not due to my efforts, that was due to my clumsiness. So that doesn't count. But I mean, it's pretty much impossible for you to see, but I feel like I'm almost hitting pan in the middle there. Next, let's talk about the lip balm. This is the Naturally European, I don't know why that's funny. I don't know where my mind is at today. This is the Naturally European Pomegranate Lip Balm, and you can see this is where we were last time, I believe. Because it is quite oily, it does kind of dissolve the Sharpie marks. So like, I was trying to work out, oh, where was that last Sharpie mark? And I think it was there. And anyway, this is where we are now. So it is good progress when you think about it. I've been using it for a few months and I'm about halfway through. My lips are getting really dry all of a sudden. Autumn has hit. And my lips are like, oh, autumn's here? Good. Now sounds like a good time to be cracked. Next, let's do the perfume. So this is the Michael Kors perfume in Sexy Amber. Again, the Sharpie mark is completely washed off of this, and I have no idea where it was. So I'm just going to put a before and after picture for comparison so you can see how much I've used. But it's a considerable amount. I'm really working my way through this, and I think by the end of next month, it should be done. Ugh. I hate you. This is the Clinique Pore Refining Solutions Charcoal Mask. And it is still not done. It's my own fault. I'm not using it enough. But it's still not done. It's still not done. I counted the lines and worked out that this has been in the project pan for 6 months now. Almost done though. Like once you squeeze out the air, we're right down to the bottom. One more use maybe. One more use. Maybe 2. I've just got to actually use it. Then speaking of things that I'm not using as often as I should, we have the Daily Smooth Soap and Glory body butter thing. This is where we were last month when I introduced it, and this is where we are now. I have not been using this as much as, if you remember, I used up another one of this exact same body butter earlier on in the year, and that I used up a lot faster. But here's the situation. Here's the story that nobody asked for. I am now, because it's cold, wearing like long sleeve tops to bed, and I always used to apply this like to my hands and arms before bed, and like maybe like my chest area, whatever, just trying to use it up. But now I'm wearing long pajamas, and I'm like, oh, I'm not gonna like take my pajamas off to put this on. Well, I'll just use it tomorrow, and then I never ever do. So that's where I'm at with this. Thank you for coming to my TED Talk about that. And finally, we have the Tresemme Split Remedy stuff, like the serum stuff for your hair. I haven't weighed this. This is on weight. Oh, I'm gonna have to get up again. Oh, well, at least I'll be getting my steps in. I'm back. Okay, I measured it and I've used up 10 grams this month. I went from 140 grams to 130 grams, which seems like good progress, but then you think that if I keep on at that rate, it's going to take me another 13 months to get through this. And that doesn't sound so good. Okay, so that was my Project Pan update for September. Wasn't great. I know. August. Amazing. Remember that? Remember last month? What a good time. I used up so much stuff. It was really good. And then this month, coming off of the back of that, oh, it's so great. But I used up that blush, which is a good thing. I feel like this month, I am coming for you. We need to pick up the pace. And I say we, but I mean me. I need to pick up the pace. I need to use up 8 products in the next 3 months. Place your bets, people. Do you think I can do it? Anyway, thank you guys so much for joining me for another video today. I love to have you here. It's a fun time. If you are interested in becoming a member of my channel, then maybe there's a button there by now, maybe not. If not, it's fine. Use the link in the description box or in that linked comment that I'm gonna leave. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a beautiful day. Remember that you are enough just as you are, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.